Ayo, bro. It's for my cousin, bitch. Get in.
Nigga, I got phone. I got face line.
Man, this Carter right here, right?
Yeah, that's car.
Wait, that's Carter right there?
Yeah. This
Carter?
one in the black.
Hey, this a warning shot, bitch.
Let's take that.
Yeah. On the set.
Go.
You know when this bitch ran by, what's the deal? Yeah. On the set. Motherfuckers always tryna diss till they get hit with a comma. Yeah, they gon' get hit with that 1-2-1. EB kept the south to popped out, but they got their cousin smoke. Fuck Kate and that dirty essence in my run, bro. Hey, fuck that motherfucking Scarface, he got 2 in the pump, bro. When we put up to your crib, y'all was hiding in that hole. Man, falls tryna be in my hood, but I had people outside. Y'all was never there, though, on the set. Kaden got hit with that motherfucker in his neck. Overkill, shot his ass 18 times with a tech. He a goofy, thought he was giving me a crib, but he got slumped. Not talking about these fists, I'm talking about these 16s. Rolling 20s, thought they got a trophy, but they caught a resident. For a Carter, he gon' get hit with that motherfucking Gen 2. Gave Carter a warning shot, he got hit in his motherfucking leg. I know his ass sick, I know his ass motherfucking bled. Then they caught a resi, but you know that get back finna be real. Y'all just called my brother, so you know, yeah, I'm out to kill. Yeah, I know, yeah, I'm out to kill. Yeah, bitch, you know, yeah, fucking Inglewood, shut they ass in they motherfucking dutter back doors already coming, fuck you and your mom, bro. Fucking Kansas shooting motherfucker in his face, bro. Airball, yeah, you can't even shoot that gun, bro. He hold it, but he don't know how it work, he a bitch, bro. Finna smoke Jabari, yeah, his ass finna get smoked. Whoever made that diss, you know that shit was some ass. Fuck Inglewood and all that dead homies, it's some bad. Hey, Kenzie got baited into snitching on his homie. Hey, Jabari was finna send me a stick, but he was gonna get back down. I came to that block party, I wish he had his stick on him. Ayy. Fucking Inglewood, they the ones who got they face tapped. Yeah, where your face at? 6 like, yeah, we put up to your block, yeah, we robbed your man. He didn't want to claim us, but yeah, we still made his ass dance. Hey, yeah, we made his ass strip down. Hold on. Yeah, see, his pocket always is so broke, we ain't find no money on y'all. He didn't even have a phone, his mom say he grounded. Yeah, how you gon' get your man to strip down and say fuck crash? Fuck them all and they all dead rats. On the set, yeah, they all some dead rats. Yeah, they all some dead rats, Yeah, they all some dead bitches. Smoke their ass in the one, fucking Young groove, my groove, A-Tray to the death, bitch.